Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If this is your first time here, welcome. Hola mis amores, bienvenidos otra vez a mi canal. Y si esta es tu primera vez en mi canal, bienvenidos. Estoy muy feliz de que estén aquí en mi canal. Yes, be sure to subscribe. If you haven't been subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe down below and you can click that bell notifications to get notifications every time I upload a new video. Si esta es tu primera vez en mi canal, bienvenidas. No olvides de suscribirte a la parte de abajo y ponerle clic a la campanita para que cada vez que yo ponga un nuevo video, ustedes le llegue la notificación. And before I leave, be sure to follow me on my social media, Makeup Artist 27, that is Facebook and Instagram. Antes de que me vaya y sigamos con el video, esté seguro de seguirme en mis redes sociales, Facebook e Instagram, y me puedes buscar como Makeup Artist 27. Está en la parte de abajo, está el nombre aquí, donde ustedes quieran verlo, están los links abajo. Makeup Artist 27, guys. So, let's go ahead and get started on today's video, guys. Oh my god, guys, I finally got the mystery box. Finally, guys, this is a big box, guys. There's so much drama with the Jeffree Star mystery box, but here it is. I opened it. I haven't opened it. You guys are gonna be unboxing with me because I like unboxing. We have a bunch of paper, trash, and oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. Okay. So they brought back the Jeffree Star, I don't know what's this called. What is this called? Let's see, what is this called? The makeup display. That's what it is. Makeup display. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. The makeup display from Jeffree. I have a lot of Jeffree Star lipsticks. Not a lot. I don't think I can fill out this whole thing, but I do have plenty of Jeffree Star that I can put in here. They're just on I just throw them into my my little drawer, but I have to arrange the room and make sure to put this somewhere so I can put my Jeffree Star stuff. I love this, guys. This was, let's see, this was $21 for this. Not that bad, not that bad, but I'm so excited to use this. As soon as I put on the lipsticks, I'm gonna take a picture, guys, and show it to you guys. Alright. Let's see what's the tea. What's the tea? Okay. And here we have the box, guys. Look, we have another flyer. I can put it, I have like a little flyer over there. Alright, guys. We have the mystery box. We have the mystery box. Mystery. Yep. Alright. Let's see. I know one of the things. We know one of the things. Because I know one of the things. Oh, there you go. I'm trying to look for the scissors. Scissors. So this box was $100, guys. $100. It took a while to ship because of they were shipping the conspiracy palettes first, and then they shipped the mystery boxes, and people started getting mystery boxes and getting the small ones. There was a drama with the small ones because they had stickers, and because they made a mistake in one of their flyers. They put each box is gonna have one cosmetic item in their flyer, and a lot of people thought that it's gonna be it said exclusive cosmetic item. So people started complaining, so all the people that bought the mini box got refunded. Crazy. People are so dramatic sometimes, but you know. The first thing I got, guys, I can't believe it. Oh my god, I can't believe this. So we got a jacket. We got a Jeffree Star jacket, guys. Ah! Can I scream? We got a jacket. Jeffree Star Premium. It says Premium Cosmetic Company 5-year anniversary, Calabasas, California. Oh my god, I prefer this on the shirts. Stop, I don't know where. But I'm happy with the jacket, as you can tell. Alright, let's see what else we have. Hopefully nothing repeated. We have let's see, this is Huntington Beach. Ooh, this is very dramatic. Huntington Beach lipstick. I know it works for eyeliner, so it won't be good for eyeliner, but you know the price is $18, so we know that. We have Caramel Kiss Supreme Frost Highlighter Powder. I'm not sure about the price for this. I'll list everything in the bottom, or I can list it here. Ooh, pretty. I'm guessing this is from the new ones. Is this from the new ones? I think this is from the new highlighters. Ooh, look at that. Let's put it on my. Let's put it here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like very shimmery, like glittery, but it's not like blinding. But it's there. It's there. Subtle, but it's there. Alright. Next thing we have is Clout. I think this is how you say Clout lipstick. This is Clout lipstick. Ooh, this is a pretty color. I should do swatches, guys. I didn't do swatches. That is a pretty color. I actually like that. Let me do the swatch from the blue one. I'm so excited to organize the lipsticks. That is like, why do they always, I think they always send you like all these crazy colors. I don't know, but I feel like they always send the crazy colors, not like a really nice brown or a really nice red. It's always the crazy ones. I guess the ones that they don't sell. I'm guessing. I don't know. That's just green paper. Next we have the peppermint. I guess this is the peppermint highlighting. Peppermint Frost highlighting palette. This is never coming back unless you guys ask for it. That's what he said. So yeah, this is the palette. I'm not sure how much it retails because remember he didn't sell this one. I'm guessing 40, something like that, because usually his makeup palettes are 54, so this should be like 40, 30, something like that. I'm not sure, but something like that. Really nice colors. Love it. You guys, I can do some swatches. Let's see. Let's do some swatches. Let's do. This is Ugly Sweater. Right there. Then we have Eglow Gold. This is Ugly Sweater. Eglow Gold is this one. Ooh, that one is like blinding. Ooh. Right there, the second one. Then we have Chocolate Ice, which is this one right here. It's kind of like a copper kind of look. Yeah, love that. Super pretty. Super pretty. Love that. Guys, we have something here. I don't have this palette, guys. Oh my god. I don't have this palette. Super love it. Then we have, I didn't even talk. Okay, then we have Thirsty, which a palette that I don't have. I don't have his first palettes. I have Blue Blood, what is it? Blue Blood, what is the other one? I forgot the names, but I have those. And Conspiracy, Jeffree Star with Morphe, I have all of that. But the first ones, no. So I'm happy I got this one though. I don't have this one. Super pretty, love it. Wow, Jeffree. Wow, Jeffree. Okay, we got two more things. We have the stickers, which is the stuff that people were complaining. And we have, is this a straw? Reusable straw cleaning brush. Plus, oh nice. Reusable straw plus cleaning brush. Cool. I like that. I like that. Yes. Now I feel iconic. And I love it that it's like Christmassy. That's it, guys. That is all of the stuff. We got, let's see how many things we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 stuff. Not bad at all for $100. Let's see how much is gonna come up for the value. I don't know how much is the palette though. I don't know how much this is. So we're just gonna go for like 30, 35. Not sure how much that is. But yes, guys, thank you so much for unboxing the Jeffree Star holiday mystery box. Let's see. I want to see what you guys, let me know what you guys got. Let me know what you guys like that I got. I totally love this. And my jacket. I'm so in love. Even though it's not cold in South Florida, because it's not cold, but I love that I got the jacket because I've been wanting to have a jacket. But yes, guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you guys like all this stuff, and be sure to subscribe before you leave. See you on my next video, guys.